Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Concord local and long-distance movers near me. Before we embark on any local move, our 3 movers team meticulously plans every detail to ensure a smooth transition. We kick things off with a personalized consultation to understand your needs, inventory, and any special requirements you might have. On the big day, our skilled Concord local TM movers will arrive punctually, armed with all the necessary equipment to pack, load, and transport your belongings carefully. What sets us apart is our familiarity with the streets of the city, including every nook and cranny of Concord. Navigating through the town's layout is second nature to us, making the entire process efficient and hassle-free. Our in-depth knowledge means we can choose the optimal routes, anticipate potential challenges, and ensure your belongings arrive promptly and securely. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Concord moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.